Three, two, one, travel. Hello, amigos. How are you? Ceci here from Indialantic, Florida. Today, I want to talk to you about very important topic, your luggage. I'm going to talk to you about your luggage today. You have an amazing variety of options in terms of suitcases and luggages. I want to talk to you about how important it is the size of the luggage that you are taking, especially when you are doing a travel to Europe and you will be changing from airline to train perhaps, and also different vehicles. So keep in mind your entire planning, what exactly is what transportations you're going to be using in order to decide your luggage. If your trip involves any train, I highly suggest to try to travel relatively light. You all know I have many videos. I don't claim to travel light. I love to bring my stuff and I love to bring stuff from all my trips home. So I'm not really the type of person that is gonna be just not, I don't travel light. But I want to make sure you try to buy suitcases that are not bigger than 27, 28 inches. That's for your checked luggage. Your carry-on can be up to 20 inches. And of course, your travel day bag, either a crossbody or a backpack. The reason I want to mention about your suitcase, trying to keep it smaller, is if you're like me, petite, and you're in a train and you're trying to put your luggage on the benches above your train, your seat, the seat in your train, sometimes there's not enough space in the space for you. There's a special designated area for your luggage in a train. But if that is full, then you need to figure out what you do with your luggage, because when you travel in a train, it's your responsibility, the luggage with you. So I noticed that between the two seats, you can actually squeeze one luggage in between two seats, the ones that are facing opposite sides, but if it's the 26, 27 inch luggage. If you have a bigger, you cannot put it underneath. So if you are not gonna be able to reach the above compartments and the closets are full, if you have a big luggage, you're out of luck. So try to plan your luggage according to your destinations, according to the transportations you're using. But I also want to recommend a brand that I started using. Is called Roam, R-O-A-M. It's a very, very high quality, amazing suitcases. Not only the quality is top, but it is also luggage that you customize. You customize the colors, you customize because it has a monogram with your initials. But to me, the reason I'm buying it is because the wheels are out of this world. This is the type of luggage that you can just push it with one finger. I'm sorry, I have done it. I have been in airports and just pushing it with one finger just because I can. But I love it. I love to have them, not only for the top quality, because they're made in America and because they have the most amazing wheels in the world. But I just buy it because through all these years that I'm being traveling, I'm kind of tired of buying suitcases every 2 years maybe. The airlines totally destroy them. They're gonna be mistreated, and no matter how much I'm being covering, I'm being trying to protect my luggages. I bought many other brands. I have London Fogs for a long time. I had Samsonites, DLC, you name it, good brands. But this brand is amazing, and I can tell you a secret. The founder and creator is the same as Tumi, the Tumi luggage. So you just have everything, a win-win situation there. But I recommend it for people that really have a heavy schedule. You put your luggage through a lot, and then you should invest in that type of luggage. And of course, I have a discount for you. So if you wanted any of this luggage, I'm going to put a photo right after this video where you can see the luggages that I ordered, that I set up. Of course, they had some orange wheels. You're going to check it out. And you can have 15% off if you want to buy your own. But again, I just do it because it's the best thing in the world for me. All right. don't forget, luggage is important. It is important. So take care. Bye-bye.